Hello everyone, and welcome to the third Fintech Monitor webcast of 2022. In this webcast, we'll cover innovations in the transaction space. First, we'll look at innovations from fintechs and incumbents in peer-to-peer sending. Then, we'll dive into payment features that improve ease of use and encourage top-of-wallet status. The pace at which consumers can go from making the decision to send or spend money to actually doing it has fallen to seconds. A friend can reimburse a friend for an Uber before the car even arrives. Shoppers can make online purchases with just Face ID. Long gone are the days of dialing customer service phone numbers on the back of the LL Bean catalog. P2P payments have improved the consumer experience by enhancing the security and speed of moving money. Incumbents have a strong grasp on these offerings, with Zelle powering most major banks' P2P platforms and eclipsing Venmo and Cash App in payment volume. In terms of retail spending, digital wallet integration on mobile devices, merchant partnerships, and buy now, pay later expedite the shopping experience. P2P allows consumers to send money to one another with just a phone number or email address, while bypassing the much slower ACH network, which requires knowledge of the recipient's account and routing numbers. Venmo's interactive P2P payments feed embodies social media elements, while Cash App has orchestrated a viral social media campaign using social media platforms like Twitter and Twitch. Zelle stands out for its integration with nearly every incumbent bank. Several firms, including Bank of America, US Bank, and Wells Fargo, have recently added QR code scanning to their mobile apps, adding a layer of error prevention and simplicity for payments. Cash App and Venmo have offered QR codes for some time. American Express and Venmo and PayPal partner to offer a unique send and split feature that lets credit card holders send money to and split purchases with friends or family who have a Venmo or PayPal account. American Express card holders can select a transaction to split and get paid back directly to their American Express card as a statement credit, while still earn rewards for the full amount of purchases. In terms of shopping habits, incumbents and fintechs alike have built out several ways to encourage top-of-wallet status. The ubiquitous Pay with PayPal button lets users expedite online checkout just by logging into their PayPal account and approving the purchase. Venmo is expanding the reach of its Pay with Venmo online checkout option. The firm recently announced a partnership with Amazon and already lets users pay with Venmo for Grubhub and DoorDash purchases, among others. Revolut recently unveiled an online checkout feature. UK and EEA merchants can now present Revolut Pay as an alternative payment method to PayPal and Apple Pay. Google recently announced that it will relaunch its Wallet app for Chrome and Android, which will provide temporary virtual card numbers and suggest autofill at checkout. Discover and Capital One let users spend their cash back directly at Amazon checkout, displaying the reward balance and providing a field for which to enter a value or spend the entire balance. Buy now, pay later firms fall into the fold here as well, letting consumers receive a loan within the checkout process. Affirm and e-commerce platform Shopify, which services transactions for over 1.75 million merchants, let users set up payment plans for large purchases right on the spot at checkout. Klarna and Affirm have both recently launched BNPL physical and virtual debit cards on the Visa network, meaning that users can spend money before setting up a repayment plan. Both firms offer 4 interest-free payments that can be retroactively applied. Social media payment integration is quickly becoming an industry trend, with several industry players adding checkout and e-commerce features. In 2019, Meta, previously Facebook, launched Meta Pay, previously Facebook Pay, which serves as a P2P and payments platform for WhatsApp, Facebook, and most recently Instagram, where users can now purchase products from a seller directly through the chat function. Pinterest also launched new merchant shopping features in August, which include product tagging on pins, a Pinterest API for shopping, and a shop tab for business profiles. In March, Twitter introduced Twitter Shops, a feature that allows users to browse products on a merchant's Twitter profile and redirects them to the merchant's website to check out. TikTok recently partnered with Stripe to introduce a tips feature enabling viewers to pay content creators. Block, meanwhile, is building tighter integrations between Cash App, Square, and Afterpay. In September 2021, Block launched Cash App Pay, which lets users pay Square merchants with their Cash App balance via QR code or a button at checkout. After acquiring Afterpay in August 2021, Block added Afterpay deals and shopping functionality to the Cash App app. The firm recently expanded Cash App Pay partnerships to all merchant partners. Previously, Cash App Pay was only available to Square merchants. Block is currently rolling out Cash App Pay availability to Afterpay sellers as an integrated payment experience. Recently, Klarna has expanded its services in efforts to become more than just a BNPL lender, such as with the launch of its open banking division, Klarna Cosma, as well as the introduction of in-app budgeting tools and loyalty card wallets. The recent addition of a delivery tracking and history dashboard, Klarna is taking another step toward becoming an all-encompassing payments and shopping service. Incumbents and disruptors alike aim to avoid the middleman wherever possible to save money on fees, as well as drive user engagement through merchant partnerships and deep integration between the P2P and shopping experience. With the use of highly sophisticated algorithms, the infrastructure of digital technology has the potential to not just cater to, but fundamentally alter the way and speed at which people send and spend their money. This concludes our webcast. If you have any questions about the coverage in this webcast, your subscription, or anything else related to fintech, please don't hesitate to reach out at askfintech@corporateinsight.com. Thank you.